Tips for shopping for wedding veils. Weddings are the special occasions for everyone. Be it your marriage or of someone else related to you, it brings special occasion to enjoy, celebrate, gift, etc. You plan and shop for many days and months before the big day to make it special. When you are shopping for wedding dress, you have special attention of wedding veils. These are special and necessary part of the wedding dress. Here are a few tips to buy wedding veils for someone very close to your heart. Body construction matters. While shopping for a bride, you have to select proper dress style, its length and color. It all depends on her stature. You have to look for different options and see that which dress style will make your would-be wife extraordinary on the big day. Dress style. Your wedding veils style depends highly on the dress style. You may have heard that the birdcage veils are known for the shortest length. Hence, it will be suitable for the lady of short stature. These types of wedding veils cover the eyes and extend till chin of the bride, making her awesome look. Types. Some wedding veils go up the shoulder and are known as shoulder length veils. They generally end from shoulders to the middle of back. Though these are not found in modern times, but will give a traditional appearance. Why not to try something more and look for elbow length wedding veils? These are easy to handle and give a romantic look. These are worn with full dress and its lower end is where the skirt of gown begins. If the marriage ceremony is held during the daytime, these veils will give special importance. The fingertip length wedding veils are for the brides who love to be in Kate Middleton's look on their wedding day. It makes the look quite pretty. Though it may not be your idea, but you may try shopping for ballet length wedding veils. You are shopping for sister or friend of the bride, then also this type of veil is suggested because you may even dance on it. The sweeping wedding veils, also known as chapel length wedding veils, will be ideal for bride of long stature. Specially made for formal wedding, it makes the bride an extremely romantic look and elegant. If you are shopping for your own bride, you see a princess in her. If the bride is able to take some pain in managing the veils, I would suggest you to buy cathedral length wedding veils only. The reason is that they are most perfect for the photography and give memorable impression to all the guests as well as the groom. If you are in the mind to experience something more, I will suggest that you think for two-tier wedding veils or double-tier wedding veils. These types of veils have two veils of different lengths. If you remember Charlene in Monaco wedding, you will be familiar with it. Understood? There are various types of veils and all depends on your choice and taste. As a would-be husband, experiment and make your bride of elegant look.